Hear all that pounding? That's the rain. Right now, we're having an atmospheric river. That's what they call it. I never heard of that before until I moved to Washington. So it looks like it'll rain from today until probably the end of next week. The atmospheric river is right above us. But the birds still come in. They still got to eat. In fact, the hummingbird just flew by. Take a look at this. With this atmospheric river flying above us, we can do one of two things. We can stay in the house and not go anywhere and just wait for the river to pass. Or, it is December, we can go to some stores. You know, it's time to maybe find some stocking stuffers for the kids, or maybe go to the bookstore, find some Christmas books that I can read to the grandkids. Who knows? But we will. The way Karen and I are, we can't just sit around in the house. So we're getting out. We'll hit up some stores. And guess what? We're going to take you guys with us. How about that? And let the atmospheric river do its thing.
He has that. When he got the picture redone, I didn't have a whole lot of clothes.
Got to get candy for the kids. Throw a few of those in the stockings. These things seem to be in style these days, these Squishmallows things. Too scary for Christmas.
It's the last Dino car pack. Better get it for Cyrus.
Gotta have those Christmas sweaters. We got our son one. I'm sure he'll love it.
Does she like him, or does Carl, the kid, like him?
A successful hunt at the first store. On we go. This is where you go when you need to get ahead. Well, today's December 2nd, and our atmospheric river, boy, it was giving it to us last night. But in the morning, the sun is out, and it's really bright, as you can see. But it doesn't mean it's gone. It's coming back. It'll be here in a few hours again. But today, I'm going to take photographs of Santa Claus. I'm going to do it for the Community Action Council, a wonderful program. A bunch of volunteers will be out here today providing cookies and cocoa for children, doing some art projects for children. I'll be doing some photography with Santa and the children. Just a wonderful, wonderful group of people coming out and volunteering and making it a good day. So I'm looking forward to that. So I'll set up and it's another day. This is the setup we're going to do. And I've just been told we're going to have possibly 200 children showing up. So that'll be great. Unfortunately, I can't video the kids when I'm taking their photographs. I don't think YouTube would like that. But maybe I get a couple photos of Santa sitting there. There he is.
Start up again.
Santa and the puppies.
Without a doubt. We're having fun with them, aren't we?
We are. It's a good year.
Good year.
The atmospheric river continues, so we're in the mall eating a bowl of this deliciousness. So during the atmospheric river, it's always good to go to a bookstore and grab a kid's book for Christmas. This will be a good book to get, and I can read it to the kids. Maybe I can do a video with it. Oh, life can't be right without Elmore, the Christmas moose. We'll get that one too.
Said the Stillaguamish River reached major flood stage yesterday.
I see sunshine peeking through the kitchen window. Good morning for Karen and I to get out, take a walk and see what the day is like. Well, we made it through the atmospheric river. It has passed on. Sun's out, gotta wear sunglasses now, and the river's heading east. But we heard on the news there's another one coming this way in a week or so. But for now, the river is flowing, and it's flowed right out of here. So another day, skies are blue, sun is out, Karen's walking.
I'm walking.
And we're feeding the crows. So thanks for watching, folks. Hope the atmospheric river doesn't hit where you are. Stay dry.